Hello, I'm Michael Hinson, and this is my final project for CSC275. My final for, CSC275. I went through and I added two more classes and header files for those classes, and I expanded the fighting for each one. Pirate, Samurai for Ninja, Samurai, Chef for Pirate, Chef and Pirate for Samurai, and for Chef, a Ninja and a Samurai. In everything that requires an entry or a check, I used a try-catch statement to make sure that the choice is correct, and if it's not, it throws an error. But if it is, it goes on the each of the classes, the Chef, Ninja, Pirate, Samurai, are all inheriting from the Person class. They're taking a name overload, and that they're also overriding the base attack of the Person class. There's a menu for them to choose from, and it shows the stats for the characters. And as long as they don't exit the program, it holds the stats that are there. Should comment those out. Those are for debugging. Each function where they're fighting gets its own thread. It shows you what the thread name is, and they have a abstraction where it gives help for each class. As you can see there. But let's get into it real quick. So, see how it works. It works the same as previous files. It says it's a brief demo. You'll be allowed to play as one before every run. Each class has their own special attack and enemies. No advantages over the others. You put in your name. It welcomes you, gives you the thread ID for the menu, and then you choose a class. Let's go with Pirate. Gives you the thread ID of that one. Enemy has an opening line, and you can do special stuff, help, normal attacks, and you can even quit, and it just completely exits you out with no problems. But let's go in and yep. The Samurai. I learned this interestingly. Samurais can they've actually used bows. So that was an interesting fact I learned. But yeah, the source file it's only calling one function from the game driver. You go over to the game driver, it only has one function, but you go in to the game driver header file, which that is this one, the source file for it. That one function draws from three functions in the game structure, which is over here, and it has all these. the fun bit was trying to figure out how to set up a new thread inside of a class. But it's got a bunch of error checking, sets it up and all that. Yeah. That'll do it for my final. But let's go with Blackbeard is for Ninja. The first thing, the damage is randomized, and it only tells you if the special's been reset if you use a normal attack. If you've used a special before, as you can see there. I am so unlucky right now. Yep. And you can try again, and it restarts it. Well, it restarts the current fight, and you can try again. That seems to glitch right there. No, it's not. Okay. If I die again, I can... Nope, it looks like I'm going to... Okay. Okay! And then when you beat the first person, the second one pops up, and as long as you don't quit at any point, you'll go back to the main menu to choose the next character you want to play as. But that'll do it for my final video for CSC275. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to, I can the source files. Until then, have a good morning, afternoon, evening. Bye-bye.